Hello and welcome once again to Business Today. We have a very special guest with us. After so long, we have Deep Agarwal from Phonepe team. Thank you so much, Deep, for just taking our time from this hectic schedule, first of all. So it's a lot going on in terms of GFF 2025. I want to know, what's the Phonepe's theme in GFF 2025? What are you doing which is exciting the viewers and the customers?
Thank you so much for having me here, Asa. Our theme this year is about tech for India. And what we're focusing on is, which has always been our focus, but to solve consumer problems and requirements with really interesting tech products, with experiences which are seamless, easy for them to use. Recently, we've done a lot of launches at Phonepe, and a lot of them revolve around making transactions seamless and easy for consumers, right from enabling biometric payments for them, which allows consumers at various segments of the society to do transactions with their smartphone-based biometrics or Aadhaar-based biometrics. We've enabled something called as tap and pay with their mobile phones, which allow consumers to save their cards on Phonepe once and make the transaction on any POS outlet which accepts card-based transactions. And the one which I'm really excited about is our launches on the credit card side. We've partnered with the largest banks in the country, SBI and HDFC, to enable co-branded credit cards for our consumers. These basically allow consumers to get really exciting rewards, up to the extent of 10% for their recharges and bill payments, which are first of their kind in India. And this card is issued on the RuPay platform, which works with UPI. You can link it on UPI and transact at millions of UPI merchants all over the country. It's a game changer. It basically allows consumers to get access to a credit card on the Phonepe platform, which we've just launched recently. The one which is very new is the one which we just launched a week back, which is an FD-backed credit card, which we've partnered with Utkarsh Small Finance Bank on. It's called the Wish Card. It's basically driving the wishes of the population of the country. As you might be aware, a very large percentage of UPI transactions in the country today actually originate from tier 2 and beyond, and a large segment of Indian population still does not have access to formal credit.
Okay.
What this FD-backed card allows is to use your own FD as security against a credit card, which allows you interest-free credit period and allows you to build your own credit history. And on top of that, there's very, very solid cashback which is available to consumers up to the extent of 3% on recharges and bill payments.
Okay, lovely. You've covered all the insights about your product launches and what else is going on in the ecosystem. Per se, I will, before I let you go, Deep, I will just have one question about in India financial ecosystem. What is your opinion where we are heading towards?
I'll just tell where we are, maybe. In all my conversations with various players across the world, it is quite apparent that we've been able to leapfrog significantly in terms of capabilities for consumers, in terms of distribution. UPI, for example, has become synonymous with driving significant part of the GDP of the country. And that is today taken as an example in most developed economies as well, as something to kind of look up to and follow. I think we are at a very interesting place where, while we've been able to drive a lot of financial inclusion for payments, which have made daily transactions really easy for consumers, we are now at the phase where we need to drive financial services, access to credit, access to insurance, etc., and ability of financial services players to utilize consumers' behavior via the UPI transactions they're doing and offer them really simplified, easy to use, maybe low priced products is something which I think really play out over the next few years.
Well, there were some lovely insights, Deep, coming from you, especially in terms of ecosystem and what PhonePe stands here for the customers and innovation per se. Thank you so much, Deep, for speaking to us and taking the time out. We'll hope to see you very soon with more and more stuff in the ecosystem financial segment. Thank you so much. Thank you.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.